What's the meaning of BBS? BBS. BBS.
BBS. BBS. BBS is an acronym that stands for Bulletin Board System. A BBS is a computer software program that enables users to connect to a server and exchange messages and files with other users. In the early days of the Internet, before the World Wide Web became popular, BBSs were a popular way for people to communicate with each other online. BBSs were often run by hobbyists and enthusiasts, and focused on specific topics like games, politics, or technology. Some BBSs even had their own online communities, with users sharing information and advice with each other. Although BBSs are less popular today, they played an important role in the development of online culture and communication.